Hi, I'm Shari Berkowitz of the Vertical Workshop, and we're working on double leg kicks. This is part 2. So now that we've got established in the first video, if you haven't seen it, go check it out, what your pelvis does. Now let's take a little bit of a moment on what's the timing of everything, or what is the real movement. So we've got hands high and elbows low, and that nice neutral pelvis. You bend at knees and kick 3 times while maintaining a neutral pelvis. Then simultaneously extend shoulders, arms, and legs. Then simultaneously bend and lower back down. So it all happens together. A 3, 2, 1, everything up, everything down. 3, 2, 1, extend everything, bend everything at the same time. It's not extend arms, then legs, then bend and bend. No, it's all at the same time. Extend and hold, bend and lower. A 3, 2, 1, extend and bend. And a 3, 2, 1, extend and bend. Well, that makes the exercise an exercise. So practice that. Though with your words when you teach, there's no way that you could say the movements at literally the same time. We can physicalize them at the same time. So I should say, notice that I say extend shoulders, arms, and legs and spine. Then bend at your elbows, bend at your legs. So at the same time, so that we think of shoulders, arms, legs. Then what am I going to do with arms and legs? Bend at your arms, bend at your legs. So just thinking about the way that you say things in order for them to turn out to seem simultaneously. Of course, you could say the word simultaneously or at the same time. So bend at your knees and kick your seat 3 times. Then at the same time, extend your shoulders, arms, legs, and spine. Then bend at your arms and legs and lower back down. A 3, 2, 1. At the same time, extend. At the same time, bend. 3, 2, 1. And lift. And bend. And a 3, 2, 1. And lift. And bend. All right, so practice that and watch out for the next part of digging into the double leg kicks.